Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a case-based question from the Cbse 2025 board paper. Now, a school is organizing a charity run to raise funds for a local hospital. The run is planned as a series of rounds around a track, with each round being 300 meters. To make the event more challenging and engaging, the organizers decide to increase the distance of each subsequent round by 50 meters. For example, the second round will be 350 meters, the third round will be 400 meters, and so on. The total number of rounds planned is 10. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. In the first part, you have to write the fourth, fifth, and the sixth terms of the arithmetic progression so formed. Okay, so let's look at how we can form the AP. Now, in the first round, 300 meters, the first round is 300 meters. The second round is 350 meters. The third round will be 400 meters and so on. So the AP will be 300, 350, 400 and so on. Now in the first part you have to find out the fourth, fifth and the sixth terms of the arithmetic progression so formed. Now in order to find the fourth, fifth and sixth terms, we need to find the value of A and D. A we know is 300 and D is 350 minus 300, which is equal to 50. Now we need to find the fourth term. Now in order to find the fourth term, we have to use this general formula for the nth term of an AP, which is An equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. So An, here we have to find the fourth term. So A4 will be A plus 4 minus 1 times D, which is equal to 300 plus 3D, which is 300 plus 3 times 50, or 300 plus 150, which is equal to 450. So the fourth term will be 450. Now the fifth term will be A plus 5 minus 1 times D, which is 300 plus 4D, which is equal to 300 plus 4 times 50, or that's equal to 300 plus 200, which is equal to 500. Now the sixth term will be A plus 6 minus 1 into D, which is 300 plus 5D, and that's 300 plus 5 times 50, or that's equal to 300 plus 250, which is 550. Okay, so now in the second part, we have to determine the distance of the eighth round. So that is, we have to find the value of A8. And A8 can be found out using the formula A plus 8 minus 1 times D. So that is equal to 300 plus 7 times D, which is 50, or 300 plus 350, which is equal to 650 meters. So distance of the eighth round will be equal to 650 meters. Now in the third question, A part, you have to find the total distance run after completing all 10 rounds. Now in order to find the total distance, we have to use the formula for finding the sum of n terms, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to find the distance, total distance after 10 rounds. So that means we have to find out what S10 is going to be. So S10 will be 10 by 2 into 2a, which is 300, plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into d, which is 50. So that's equal to 5 times 600 plus 9 times 50, which is 450. So 5 into 600 plus 450, which is equal to 1050. So 5 times 1050 gives me 5250 meters. Okay, so the total distance run will be 5250 meters. Now there's one more part, there's an OR part, which is third question B part. Let's look at the question. If a runner completes only the first 6 rounds, what is the total distance run by the runner? So here they're asking you to find out the sum of the first 6 rounds, which means S6. Okay, so S6 will be equal to 6 by 2 into 2a, which is 300, plus n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 times 50. So that's equal to 3 into 600 plus 5 into 50, which is 250. 3 into 600 plus 250, which is 3 times 850. And that's equal to 2550 meters. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.